I got my new flex plate bolts in today. It's a 17 millimeter. I thought these had thread locker on them, but they don't. So I want to put just a little bit of blue thread locker on. This is the medium strength made by Permatex. This is going to be 33 foot-pounds. On each one. The trick here is not to drop the bolt into the engine. It's going to make it tough to get out if I do. And I'm putting these in through the starter hole. Typically you would do this on the other side of the block. You take the cover off. Okay. And with someone holding the front crank bolt, we're going to tighten this bolt down to 33 foot-pounds. If I can get to it. It's just not quite long enough. Which means I need okay, it's going to have to be a thin wall socket also. Alright. There we go. Okay, push down on it. That's it right there. 33 foot-pounds. Alright. And now we're going to spin it around to the other two bolt holes and put those bolts in. Okay, there's the next one. There we go. And let's put in the second one. I'm not putting a whole lot of thread locker on. Just a dab. Do not drop the bolt. Do not drop the bolt. Okay, 33 foot-pounds. Doesn't seem like a lot pressure, so that's kind of why I'm putting the thread locker on. Just makes me feel better about it. So we'll move on to the next one. It's going to be right there. "33 foot-pounds according to the Bentley manual." Okay. And that's that.